Roman numeral. Okay, so we doing a translation. The I is 1, V is 5. We learned this stuff back in high school, elementary, something like, or in between, middle school. Could have been middle school, I don't remember. We're gonna copy this from the bottom to the top. So this code is basically asking us to come up with a formula that automatically converts. One of the easier ones. Certainly, this was obviously written by ChatGPT. Hey, it's the future. I don't feel bad about using ChatGPT. It's the future. Does anyone else realize these solutions were written by ChatGPT? Let's go ahead and do this. Boom. And then let me add my little thing. All right, let's see what chat says to that.
Problem summary. We're tasked with converting a Roman numeral, e.g. MCMXCX4, to an integer. Each Roman numeral has a value, and we sum or subtract the values based on specific rules. Normally, numerals are added. If a smaller numeral comes before a larger numeral, it is subtracted instead, e.g. IV equals 5 does 1 equals 4. Story outline. Gaming theme title, Roman Quest, Decoding the Ancient Cipher. Introduction. In a forgotten kingdom, ancient warriors used Roman numerals to encode their treasure maps. You, a brave adventurer, stumble upon a dusty scroll with Roman numerals etched into it. To unlock the hidden vault of riches, you must decode the Roman cipher into its true integer form. Each numeral is a key, and understanding its value will lead you closer to unimaginable wealth. Code solution. Beginner-friendly. Java public class solution. Public int Roman to int string s. Step 1. Define the value of each Roman numeral int total equals 0. Store the final integer value int prev value equals 0. Track the value of the previous Roman numeral. Step 2. Loop through each character in the string from last to first. For int I s.length 1, I equals 0 I, char Roman char quest.char I. Get the current Roman numeral int current value equals get value Roman char. Get its value using a helper method. Step 3. If current value is smaller than the previous value, subtract it if current value prev value, total man equals current value, else total plus current value. Otherwise, add it to the total. Prev value equals current value. Update the previous value, return total, return the final decoded value. Helper method to get the value of a Roman numeral, private int, get value char Roman char. If Roman char equal I, return 1. If Roman char equal v, return 5. If Roman char equal x, return 10. If Roman char equal l, return 50. If Roman char equal c, return 100. If Roman char equal d, return 500 and return 0. Default case, not needed in this problem. Story. You are standing in the dimly lit chamber, staring at the scroll. Each Roman numeral is a riddle. To solve it, you must analyze the numbers backward, subtracting where needed and adding where appropriate. You remember your training. If a smaller number is written before a larger one, it means subtraction IV equals 4. If not, simply add the numbers x plus v equals 15. Carefully, you decode the scroll one numeral at a time. After intense focus, the cipher reveals the true number, 1T94. The vault begins to rumble, and the treasure is yours. The ancients would be proud. Want me to generate a thumbnail for this story? I'll make sure it includes LeetCode and the name of the problem, Roman to integer.